my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So, I am here to share with you guys my, what are we in? April, February, and March empties. It's a lot, so I'm not going to talk too long about each item. We're just going to go through it because it's quite a bit, and so I don't want to spend too much time. So the first thing is from Dollar Tree, or $1.25, but I bought these when they were $1. These are the honeysuckle dryer sheets. They come with 40. These were not bad. I did have to add two to each load, so basically it's like 20 only, but they were still not bad for $1. When I got them, I would repurchase them. This is a repeat, the feminine wash from Dollar Tree. Love this as well. Constantly repeat that. This is, I think I'm going to try to do all Dollar Tree if I can, depending on if they're on the bottom. But this was from Dollar Tree. This is a Sassy and Chic Sensitive Cleansing Towelettes compared to Simple. I would repurchase these again. They did not irritate my eyes or burn or anything like that, so I was really happy about that. This is a Luminescence Caramel Candle from Dollar Tree, right there. These do burn very fast. They're worth the $1 or $1.25 in my opinion, but they do burn very fast. And then this is the other dryer sheets that I got from Dollar Tree, Sweet Pea Blossom. They also had 40. These ones were probably, I liked these a lot more than that scent, but they were still really good. Toothpaste is from Dollar Tree. This is the Brush Buddies Herbal Toothpaste infused with activated charcoal, and it's right there. This was nice. I don't know that I would repurchase it, but it wasn't bad at all. Limited edition Sky and Sea Salt air freshener. Really like this. I've been trying to look for this. I've been on the hunt for it. It smells really good. This toothpaste is from Dollar Tree. This is the Colgate Optic White. Love that. This is a Members Mark flushable wipes. You guys have seen these in previous videos. I constantly repurchase those. This is Clorox Foam Original Cleanser. This is good. I do enjoy this. I would repurchase it if I can't find my, what's the purple one? I can't remember. Kaboom, I think is what it's called. I do like the Kaboom better. This is a Bath & Body hand soap. Constantly repurchase these. This is one of my favorites. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I always repurchase that when it's in season. This is the L'Oreal Ever Pure Sulfate Free Purple Shampoo. I really did enjoy this. I think it did really help with the brassiness of my hair. This is the Tula So Pumpkin Sugar Face Scrub. This I got in a BoxyCharm or something. I really do like this, and the scent is really nice. My skin feels really good after using that. This was my daughter's. This is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. She really did like this right here. This is the Skin Regimen Hydrate Plumping Serum. I got this in a BoxyCharm or something, and I really did enjoy it. I definitely would repurchase it. I was kind of shocked when I first wasn't thinking it was going to be any good, but I really liked it, and this is definitely a product that I would repurchase. It's kind of pricey. This is the Ulta Beauty Fall Leaves Body Mist. Love this, and I do have a backup. This is the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Soothing Toner Mist for sensitive skin. I got that at Marshall's for $4.99. I enjoyed this. I don't know that I would repurchase it. This was my husband's. This is the Dove Men Care Sport Refresh deodorant right there. And this was $4.49 at Ross, which is a great value. He enjoys that. This is the Lancome UV Expert Defense Sunscreen SPF 50. I love this. You guys know that already. I did not repurchase this last time because I wanted to try the Tula one, which I have been enjoying, but this is one of my favorites. We did finish, our dogs finished up the Fresh Kisses Double Brush Infused Teeth, what are these called? Teeth treats, I guess you would call them. I received these from, I think it was, and this is the Merrick brand. These were from Influenster, and They went fast because there was only 9 and I have 2 dogs, now 3. But they did like those. I like those better than the greenies. They finished up, my little dog finished up these Rachel Ray soup bones. You guys have seen these before. They really love these. I love buying them for them. And they're not very expensive. I always repeat those. Another feminine wash. I probably use 2 a month. This is a Bath & Body White Pumpkin, one of my other favorite soaps to have. I love this scent. I wish they sold it year-round. This was my husband's. This is the Old Spice Swagger Body Wash. I think he got this from my sister-in-law for Christmas, and he used that up. He likes the Irish Spring Original. That's his favorite, so I probably would not repurchase that for him. This is my Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away. I really enjoyed this. You can see it's all cleaned out. I really enjoyed this. I don't care for cherry scent, but I loved the product itself. It really did remove all of my makeup without any problems. It did not irritate my eyes or anything, and it rinsed off nicely. This was my Murad Hydrating Toner, and there's that right there. I think this irritated my skin just a little bit. It had just too many products, and my skin would get a little red, and I don't feel that it was super hydrating, so I didn't care for that, but I did use it up. I got it in a BoxyCharm or something, and I didn't want it to go to waste. This was my daughter's e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser, or my son's, one of theirs. They do like that. I think these 2 were my daughter's as well. Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal. She loved this one. She asked me to purchase this for her in a full size, which I will do. And then this one is the Morning Burst. She liked to use this in the morning and this at night because it kind of wakes her up. So there's those. Excuse you, little puppy. This is another toothpaste. You guys see these repeated every month from Dollar Tree. The Dove Beauty Cream, and this is from Dollar Tree as well. She used the whole thing up. She did enjoy that. I have to pick her up a new one. This is my skin moisturizer. This is Sukin Moisture Restoring Night Cream. Right there. I really do like this for night. If you are aging or dry, you have super dry skin, you can get this at Target. It's really good and very hydrating. Definitely helps the skin. This was my daughter's Nourishing Body Scrub made with marula oil, argan oil, and shea butter. I think she got this in an Ipsy. This was mine. This is the Pixie Hydrating Milk Mist with hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love this, and I definitely have it on my list of things to purchase. This was from TJ Maxx or something. This is the DeFil 99% Natural CBD Premium Hair Oil. That was my husband's, and I think we already repurchased that. This was a face mask. This is a Yes to Yes Skin Recharging Eye Mask. I used that. I do enjoy that. These were samples I got from Pinch Me. These are the Moroccan Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner. This was okay. I don't think that I would purchase a full size. I didn't care for the smell. My hair did feel nice, but nothing too great. Another Dollar Tree toothpaste, a repeat. I love this one. This is a Jelly Cleanser, Drunk Elephant. This was mine. I was trying to use up some sample products that I had, and this was one of them. This is the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. This was nice. It didn't irritate my skin or anything. I don't know that I would repurchase it, but it was nice. This is the Hello, I did cut it open, Hello Natural White Toothpaste right there. I got this, I think, in a Walmart box or something. We have a full size. I do like that. This is mine. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Moisturizer. This was okay. I don't think it was hydrating enough, but it was nice. We finished up a tooth floss from Colgate, I believe. Daughter finished up this Fourth Ray Beauty After Hours Detox Face Oil. I got her this when I did a ColourPop haul, and there's a little bit in there, but she can get it out, and she really loved it. She asked me to repurchase that. I have to order it for her. This is mine, Estee Lauder Revitalizing Youth Power Serum Face Cream. That is what that looks like. I really did enjoy this, and I would repurchase it in a full size. This is my Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. I really like this, and I used that all up. I finally, after years and years, used up this Lorac lip pencil stick. I can't even tell you, I think the color might have been praline. I don't know, but you can see it's completely gone. Very happy about that. I did finish up a Juvia's Place brow pencil, which I do love. I will say that the product goes fairly quickly, but it was very nice. I do like it. I also finished up a Juvia's lip balm. You could see where I kind of dug what I could out of there. I really like this. It's in peppermint. I would repurchase that. I already got a new lip balm in a mystery box that I recently did from them, but it's in the jelly form versus the stick form. This is a Winky Lux lip gloss I finished up in the stars, which I was super, super excited. I even took out the stopper. Those little things you can see in there are just gold flecks that had it in there, but I got all of the product out. I was very shocked that I was able to finish that. You can see it's empty. So there's that. I really enjoyed that. I would repurchase it. It was very hydrating on my lips. This was a sample of a Rare Beauty foundation that I got. I used that all up. It was okay. I didn't like it on my dry skin. This is my dual eyelash adhesive that I decluttered because it stinks really bad and it's expired. I went to use it and it was very gross. So, oh, two more. This is the Pink Honey Wash from the store Pink. I absolutely love this. This lasted me so long. I started using this last year and I just finished it probably towards the middle of March. And so, yeah, that's finally done. But it was really nice. And then this was my husband's from Dollar Tree, Purify Body Wash Suave. He did like this, but like I said, I won't repurchase it because he loves the Irish Spring. That is all of my empties for February and March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always want to share with you guys what I love, what I've tried, what I didn't like, and all of that. And sometimes my husband or my kids will add theirs in as well, just so you can kind of see what they're using. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy Empties videos, or you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Let me know if you have an Empties video, or if you've tried any of these products and what you think. I'd love to hear that down in the comments below. So this is going to complete this video for today, but until the next one, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.